फिर मुझे याद है 72 में
वो घटना कुछ हमने सुनी है कि जब लेटर आता था कैसे आप सेलिब्रेशन करते थे, वो बात सुनाइए।
क्या है कि कुसुम कपिल के घर ओशो आके रुकते थे, तो उनसे हमारा इतना गहन प्रेम हो गया। यही ओशो ही कनेक्शन है, और पहले से तो हम जानते ही नहीं थे, पर इतना प्रेम हम चारों का आपस में हो गया, कुसुम कपिल मेरा और अमरजीत का, कि जैसे इट वाज वननेस। और वो अभी तक है। और वो चारों में हमारे में इतना प्रेम था कि हम तो लुधियाना सिस्टर्स के नाम से जानी जाती थी, और वो दोनों भी ऐसे लगता था जैसे भाई हैं। और सभी बहुत आपस में भी, दोनों पति पत्नी का आपस में भी बहुत प्रेम था, और दोस्ती भी बड़ी प्यारी थी। तो ओशो लेटर लिखते थे कुसुम को या मुझे, अमरजीत और कपिल को नहीं, तो वो खूब इसका मजाक भी करते थे। और जब किसी की लेटर आती थी तो हम आपस में करते थे कि सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, खोलेंगे नहीं, अकेले में नहीं पढ़ेंगे। तो फिर अक्सर तो कुसुम कपिल के घर, उनका घर बहुत बड़ा था, बहुत सुंदर था, और वहाँ पे मैं तो जॉइंट फैमिली में थी, तो उनके घर में जाके हम लेटर खोलते थे। तो बस पूरा कमरा सजाया जाता, फूल से, कैंडल से, खाना अच्छे से बनता, और पूरे सेलिब्रेशन होते, हम ही चारों, और नहीं कोई भी होता थे। बच्चे तो दोनों हमारे अलग खेलते थे, असंग और प्रिया, इन दोनों की भी दोस्ती बहुत प्यारी थी। और बस वो खोलना और एक शब्द पढ़ना, और फिर इधर से उधर उछलना, कूदना, नाचना, रोना, गाना, वो सब चलता था, और बहुत एक महफिल जमती थी, एक एक शब्द को पढ़ना। और क्योंकि एक एक शब्द में बहुत गहराई होती थी, चाहे मुझे लिखा हो, बात तो सभी को है, सभी हम एक ही मार्ग पे थे। अभी 72 की बात है। एक बात और कि 1970 में जब मनाली का कैंप हुआ, उसी में पहली बार ओशो ने संन्यास की अपने देशना दी, कि उनका नव संन्यास क्या है और कैसे वो पुराने संन्यास से भिन्न है। उस समय मुझे बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं भी सन्यासी हो सकती हूँ। मुझे लगा मैं तो गृहस्थ जीवन है, बेटी है, पति है, और मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ इस सारी जीवन से। तो बिल्कुल ख्याल नहीं आया, और ओशो ने भी मुझे कुछ नहीं कहा, आपका सन्यास तभी हुआ है। और उसके बाद भी मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं सन्यास लूँ, कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आई डोंट डिज़र्व सन्यास, कि ये तो जो लोग बहुत कमिटेड हैं, क्योंकि मेरे जीवन में अभी तक मेडिटेशन नहीं आई थी। ओशो का प्रेम था, ओशो की पुस्तक पढ़ने का बहुत अच्छा लगता था, तब तक थोड़ी थोड़ी पुस्तकें भी आनी शुरू हो गई थी, तो दैट आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय। पर ध्यान अभी मेरे जीवन में नहीं आया था। तो 72 की बात है, माउंट आबू का कैंप था, अक्टूबर 72 का। तो मैं उसमें गई कैंप में, और उस कैंप में ओशो ने मुझे, तब तक ऐसा हो गया था कि ओशो सफ़ेद रंग में भी संन्यास देते थे और भगवा में भी देते थे। अगर सफ़ेद रंग में संन्यास देते थे तो नाम देते थे साध्वी प्रेम पूजा, और यदि इफ़ इट वाज इन द saffron colors, then he will say माँ प्रेम पूजा, and Sadhu Prem Tirth in white, and in saffron he will say Swami Prem Tirth, like this. And by that time in 72 it was conveyed to us that whosoever want to attend any meditation camp with him, they should bring white clothes or saffron, not any other clothes to wear. So in 72 camp when I went, I made few dresses in white, few in saffron colors. So when I reached there, and first thing Osho looks at me and tell me, this time I'm going to give you sannyas. I said, no, 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 no. I don't like this Bhagwa color, this deep orange, this Jabalpuri choice, no way. I'm not going to wear this. And at that time, Vivek and Mukta's daughter Seema, they were also sitting there with him. And he looks at them and he tells them, just make sure that whenever you see her, just remind her of sannyas. And this time I am going to give her. And you don't look beautiful in white. Remember, I am going to give you in saffron. I said, no way. Let's see who wins. I say. And Seema, whenever she will look at me and she will say, oh, sannyas, sannyas, and I will say, no, 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 and I will go away. And again, Osho will ask me to come around 2:30 and be in the room. And he will be meeting to other people. Two interesting stories I have to tell you. That Osho was very naughty. And I will be sitting there in the corner, and Lakshmi, at that time she was his secretary, I think, in 72, yes. And he will tell her that do this, 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 and say this thing. And then Ishwar Bhai will come. And he will tell exactly opposite things to Ishwar Bhai. And then outside I will see that Ishwar Bhai and Lakshmi, they are having heated argument, almost like a fight, fiery fight. And then I came to Osho, and next day I told him that, look, you were saying, both were saying the right things. And he said, but you are not supposed to listen to all this. I said, but I have ears, they are open, and I am sitting there and I am not listening, but everything is coming inside me, and I am going to tell them that you are the person who is saying all these things. He said, no, I haven't said to you anything, and you are not listening to it, and you are not supposed to say anything. Let them fight and let them come to me, and whatever I say, let me say, and you are not supposed to say these things to anyone. Whatever you hear in this room, you are not going to say to anyone of anything. I said, this is very strange, because I can hear. And he said, okay, you go and sit in this corner and say, when the breath moves in, say Rajneesh. When the breath moves out, say Rajneesh. Just you keep on saying Rajneesh, Rajneesh inside. Sit in the corner. So I am sitting in the corner. On that day, he is giving sannyas. Anybody who is coming, he is saying, आपकी तो अब उम्र हो गई है, आप संन्यास ले लो, सफ़ेद में ले लो, ये ले लो, नाम दे रहे हैं. And then he will say, the malas are finished, and when you go out, by the evening, Narendra will have malas, and then you can take the mala from him. And a thought comes in me, because it is 7 days have passed, and each day this my sannyas thing is going on. So the thought comes to me that if he asks me today, I will take the sannyas in white. And the person moves out, and Osho says, क्या सोच रही है वहाँ बैठी, बुढ़िया होगी है क्या, सफ़ेद में, मैंने नहीं देना सफ़ेद में संन्यास, उठ इधर आ. And I was like, I'm like a thief caught red-handed. I'm like totally, you can say, in silence, no? Totally I'm stopped, everything stopped. And he says, get up. And I got up, come here. And I walked like a zombie, sit down. I sat down. And then I was sitting and he was sitting on the chair, and he pulls me from my hair and put my face on his lap, and he says, क्या सोच रही थी? नहीं, संन्यास तो तू भगवान में ही लेगी, और देख तू कैसे मुझे ना कर सकती, मैंने तो तेरे लिए एक माला भी रखी हुई है छुपा के. and he picks up the mala and puts around my neck. And then he pick up a paper, and on that paper it is written Sadhvi Prem Puja. I don't know why it was written before. And then he picks up a pen, he crosses that, but that is a highlighter. So I will show you my sannyas paper, which I have it, and it is highlighted Sadhvi Prem Puja, and he tells me, नाम तो तेरा मैं नहीं बदलूंगा, नाम बदलूंगा तो मुझे ही मुश्किल होने वाली है, तेरे लिए तो मेरे को खींचातान करने का एक मौका और मिल जाएगा तुझे, और नाम तो मुझे ही याद रखना पड़ेगा, तो नाम तो तेरा बहुत सुंदर है, नाम तो वही रखते हैं, आज से तेरा नाम है माँ योग नीलम. And he gives me this. I'm still in a everything is stopped for me. I could only just hear him. And then he gives me the paper and tells me, now you go out and tell everybody that you have taken sannyas. I get up, I go to the door, and I come back and I say, what? No, I am a sannyasin, and I am supposed to wear all the time this orange, day, night, these clothes? And he smiled. I said, my husband will be bored and he will run away. I will take care of him. And then he looks at me. Do you think the family and everybody will be against it and they will give you trouble? And I said, I will take care of them. And I move out. I come out and my husband is standing there. He says, "Aa gayi Maa Yog Neelam?" And I say, how come you know that I have taken sannyas? He said, mala is hanging, the certificate is in your hand, it shows. And I said, but how do you know that my name is not changed? How it is that Maa Yog Neelam he will give me? He says, no, I don't think he will change your name, because you will give him hard time. Each time he will have to remember the name. I said, but exactly he said the same thing to me. He said, I don't know, I was sitting outside and I felt all this. And then I remember the whole night we could not sleep. Both of us, we are sitting with this certificate and I'm wearing mala and thinking that now my life has taken a new turn. Now I am a sannyasin. And what does it mean? What I am supposed to do? And we are both sitting, sometimes crying, sometimes hugging, sometimes laughing, sometimes enjoying. And it's like a kind of energy and a kind of very beautiful enjoying, but unknown, as if some unknown door has opened and we are like hesitating how to step out and go into that world. It was very beautiful and very strong feeling. My husband took sannyas after 3-4 months. There was another camp in Anandshila in February. Mine was in 72 October and he took sannyas in 73 February.